Now, can you illustrate us how big can be a leach field, just for our reference?
Yeah, so leach fields are very big. It's going to take up most of this front yard here, or at least half of it. Most leach fields are trench systems, and they need a lot of space to absorb a lot of water. So a lot of them spread out, could be 30, 40 feet, you know. But you really need to see the design to know the exact area of the leach field. So if you ever were putting a pool in your yard or something like that, you would want to get the design and flag it off to make sure you don't put the pool on the leach field and drive over the leach field with heavy equipment. That's very important.
Because it's going to damage the
It can damage the system. Yeah.
All right. When a leach field fails?
So a leach field can show two signs of failure. You can have a backup in that tank and a backup in the house.
Okay.
Or you can have septic fluid rising to surface in your yard. And that'll usually show signs of one big area is one big patchy grass. It's always green in one spot, okay. Even if you're not watering your lawn. It'll get soppy and you'll start smelling that septic smell.
Oh, okay. So it's good to know about that sort of information. So, Don, thank you so much for that information. Greatly appreciate it. And now it's not going to change my... There
we
you
go.
It was not doing anyway. All right, guys, if you have any questions about septic system, here's the guy. I'm just supporting this, the opportunity to let you know how to do or what you need to know about for the septic system. Something coming up later, talking about what? Radon?
Radon. Radon gas.
How about the...
We can talk about wells too in the future.
Wells in the future.
We'll get to do a well inspection.
All right, guys. Take care. See you soon. Take care.
Take care.
Bye.